How to fix Shein suspended account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store and search Shein. If there is any update available, update the app. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some issue. Then, open Gmail. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here, click on Compose at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, type in service@shein.com, and then in subject you can type in suspended account. Then add your email. You can simply type in my account is suspended. Please fix this issue. And then press on the arrow at the top right and send it to Shein. After that, they will review your mail and fix your issue. This is how to fix Shein's suspended account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.